Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into your primary Google account so you control where photos land. Once signed in, install the Google Drive or Google Photos app on phone and open the web drive on a desktop. Make sure camera backup is enabled. Next, collect your images into a single folder or album to avoid scattered uploads. This initial consolidation speeds the transfer and prevents duplicates, so start uploading immediately after the folder is ready. You now upload and structure the collection. On desktop, drag and drop the folder into Drive or use the Backup and Sync tool for continuous transfer. Once files are in, create dated folders or albums to reflect events or years. This makes future retrieval predictable. Make sure to add tags or short descriptions on key photos so Drive Search identifies them. Also choose Upload Quality, original versus high quality, because that setting directly affects storage consumption and how many images you can keep. Finish by verifying uploads. Compare file counts and sample images to ensure everything transferred. Once done, set sharing permissions on folders, choose View, Comment, or Edit, and send link access to collaborators. Make sure to use expiration dates if temporary. Then confirm sync settings on your phone so new photos automatically back up. If something goes wrong, try the troubleshooting tip. Clear app cache, reconnect Wi-Fi, or restart the browser. These steps resolve most stalled uploads quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.